In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with Quora in 4 easy steps. And so you know, no experience is required and this method works worldwide. And the best part of this is AI is going to do all the hard work for you, which means all you simply need to do is to give this video 100% focus so that you don't miss any step and you can start making money right after watching this video. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the very first step is to find an affiliate network. And there are numerous affiliate networks out there that you can pick from. The first one I recommend is digistore24.com. You can also go over to maxbounty.com as well. And you can also use impact.com. These are affiliate networks that you can pick products from and start promoting and start making money. So for today's video, we are going to be taking digistore24.com, and that is because digistore24.com is available in most countries across the globe. All you simply need to do is to come over to the website and create a free account if you don't have one already by clicking on the Get Started button. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to the sign up page where you need to enter your username, email, and you want to make sure to select I am an affiliate because we are going to be promoting Digistore24 products as an affiliate to make money. Then you want to check this box and click on continue. So this is all you simply need to do and your account will be created right away. So once you create an account on Digistore24, your dashboard should look like this. So you want to come over to this section that says product categories and you want to come over to the digital product section. This is because it's easier to make money promoting digital product as you don't have to deal with shipping and handling of the product. Most of the time, people just need to download this product and you make money. So now you want to come over here and select any category of your choice. But for me, I'm going to go with social media because a lot of people are looking for opportunities to make money online in 2024. So basically, if you come over here, you can see there are over 40 products that you can pick from. So the first product on this category here is TubeMagic. As you can see, this is an AI tool that helps people grow YouTube channels. Okay, and as you can see, this product here is going to pay us $37 for every sale we bring to this product. And it's always a good practice to check the sales page of whatever product you are promoting to make sure the product is legit and people can actually get value from this product, and also to make sure it's not a scammy product. Okay, as you can see right here, growing on YouTube made easy. All people need to do is to sign up to this product, and this product here is going to help them grow their YouTube channel easily. And now the third step of this video is coming over to the AI tool I mentioned earlier in this video, which is going to be doing all the hard work for us. And this AI tool is writer.me, and I'm going to leave a link in the description to this website. So as you can see, this AI tool generates original and compelling content that sounds like a human and not a robot. And one of the main features I like about this AI tool, this tool has a plagiarism checker tool, which makes sure whatever content you generate with this AI tool is 100% original and unique, as opposed to other AI tools that only generate duplicate content, which in turn can get your account flagged and deleted. So once you come over to this website, you can use it for absolutely free. As you can see right here, Get Writer is free. However, I highly recommend to go over to the pricing page because the free version has some limitation and is going to make it difficult to make money with this strategy. So I highly recommend to come over to either the unlimited plan or the premium plan, which starts from $7. And this is a minor investment compared to how much you'll be making when I show you this strategy in a moment. And the reason I recommend going for the unlimited or the premium plan is because of this plagiarism checker tool. As you can see, it's only available under the unlimited and premium plan. So this is very important, as if you stick to the free plan, you won't have access to this tool and you won't be able to take advantage of this strategy and make money after watching this video. So once you sign up to any of the plans, your dashboard is going to look like this, and that takes us to the fourth step. So you want to simply go over to Quora.com and create a free account. So once you create an account on this platform, all you simply need to do is to come over to the search section of Quora And this is where you want to type in keyword people who are interested in growing YouTube channel might be searching for on Quora. An example of such keyword is how to grow on YouTube. So you want to type in this keyword here, and it's going to show you a lot of questions people have been asking on Quora regarding this keyword. And as you can see, many of these questions here have gotten a lot of answers already, which is going to make it difficult to get your answers seen by people looking for answers to this question. So once you search for that keyword, you want to then come over to the filter section and you want to change the filter type to by questions. And this way you are going to see only questions related to this keyword on Quora. And now the second thing you want to then do from here is to come over to the time section and you want to sort this by either past hour or past day or past week. This is because it's going to let you see new and emerging questions people are asking on Quora as opposed to these other questions here that have gotten a lot of answers already. So you want to make sure to go for newer questions, because this way you definitely be reducing competition. You are going to get your answers ranked easily because there are not so many answers on those questions yet. So for me, I'm going to select the past week, as this way is going to show me all the questions that have been asked in the past week. As you can see, many of these questions here don't even have answers yet. And you can see this one, 2 people have followed this question, even though it has not been answered yet, which means once we answer this question right now, these people who have followed this question will get notified and they can potentially go to our affiliate link and purchase this product and we will make money. So as you can see, there are so many questions related to this keyword that have not been answered yet. So I'm going to take this question here as an example, which says, how likely is it for a YouTube channel about horror stories to grow rapidly? So all you simply need to do from here is to copy this question. You want to then go back to writer.ai. Like I said, this tool is going to be doing all the hard work for you. You don't have to answer these questions yourself. You want to then make sure to select the tone as informative, because we will be giving value, and that way there's a high likelihood that they are going to click on our affiliate link, and if they purchase the product, we make money. Then you want to come over to this choose use case section and you want to scroll down here until you see Quora. Okay, so you want to come over here and select Quora answer. This way, all you simply need to do is to paste in the Quora question right here, just like this. And as you can see, you can come over here and click on write for me, and writer is going to generate the answer for you. So as you can see, writer has generated the answer for me in less than 2 seconds, which means I can literally answer numerous questions without having to do any research on my end. Now that writer has generated the answer for us, all we simply need to do from here is to copy this answer. Okay, so you want to simply copy everything like this. And once you do that, you want to then go back to Quora and you want to click on that question. So once you do that, you then want to simply paste in the content you got from writer in this page. So once you do that, the next thing you want to then do here is to type in a call to action, so that once people click on the link, it's going to take them to this product we are promoting, which is going to help people grow on YouTube. Okay, so you want to type in something simple like this: boost your YouTube views and earnings with AI. And once you do this, you want to simply come back to your Digistore24 account to copy your affiliate link by clicking on the Promote Now button. And this way, you'll be able to get your affiliate link. So once you get your link, you want to highlight the call to action. Then you want to click on this button, which is going to show this link icon. And this is where you want to enter your Digistore24 affiliate link and you want to click on add. So you can copy this call to action and you can paste it across several sections of this answer. All right. So once you do this, all you simply need to then do from here is to click on post. So as you can see for yourself, this answer went through without any issues with Quora. So basically, you can replicate the same strategy by simply using this writer AI tool to answer a lot of questions. Many of these questions don't have answers yet, which means you have little to no competition and you will be the only one dominating these answers. So basically, using this tool is going to save you a lot of time and also going to increase your earnings. And keep in mind, Quora is a high authority domain, which means the questions you answer can get seen on Google, and that way you can even make more money. And as you can see for yourself, this is a question ranking on Google right here: how to make money on a cooking blog YouTube channel. And as you can see here, just one answer on this question. And I can assure you, people are searching for these keywords on Google as well. And if the question pop up with your affiliate link in it, you are going to be driving traffic to your affiliate link, which in turn is going to be generating revenue for you in passive income, because you need to keep in mind these questions are going to stay up forever. So basically 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months down the line, you can still get affiliate commission. So I highly recommend to answer at least 10 to 20 questions every single day. And that way you are going to maximize your earnings and you can get results as fast as possible.